Hello friends, I've just done this one, it's going on Patreon. I did two for you a couple of days ago, so don't feel deprived. It's an exercise in centering the light in a painting by preserving the light through the middle but building up the darks around it. So the darker your surround is, the lighter the background will appear. I've kept the foreground very light to enhance the dark depth of this wood, and I've tried to make it look as if it's walking through a wood in after a heavy storm. So wintry scene, autumn leaves. Uh, I've in observing trees, most trees seem to go yellow in autumn. The leaves fall and then they become brown, and a few stragglers then on the trees become brown. But you do get trees that are wholly autumn colours as we imagine them to be. Uh, but most trees lose their leaves at the dark yellow stage, and then they fall on the ground and they become brown. The very impressionist painting, I've paid no attention to great detail or botanical specimens. I've just done most of it with a hake, including all the stippling, and some bits and pieces with a rigger. Hope you like that, folks. See you soon. Bye bye.